Welcome to this new episode, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make call and browse the internet by enabling what is called VoLTE on Samsung phone. So this is VoLTE on Samsung phone. So enabling VoLTE on Samsung phone will allow your Samsung phone to have access to internet while you are making your regular calls. Now to do this, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings, you want to click on connections. Here, scroll down and make sure you click on mobile network. Then under mobile network, you have VoLTE. If yours is disabled just like this, you will not be able to browse internet while you're making phone calls with VoLTE calls disabled on your SIM cards. Then turn on this feature. Then turn on this video to enable VoLTE on your Samsung phone on both SIM cards. So if you want to use only a SIM card for VoLTE, so that when you are receiving phone calls, you can also use the data network for calls or every other possible assignment, then just turn this off. So this is how you can easily turn on VoLTE for calls on Samsung phone to use data while you are making your regular phone calls. So if this is helpful and educative, if you want to like button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.